The Nigerian Senate is urging the federal government to intensify efforts to secure the release of Leah Sharibu, the only Dapchi schoolgirl that is still in Boko Haram captivity and yet to be released. The lawmakers are also seeking expedited action by government to secure the release of the remaining Chibok schoolgirls that are still in the custody of Boko Haram insurgents. National Assembly correspondent Gloria Kiba brings us the report.
These resolutions follow a motion on the 2018 Children's Day celebration sponsored by Chairman Senate Committee on Women Affairs, Senator Binta Garba, and 9 others Thursday at plenary. Senator Mars explains that the Nigerian child plays a significant role in the development of the country, adding that there is the need to lay a good foundation for them and secure their future. The lawmaker further says a proper system of education and good health care is indispensable towards making the Nigerian child relevant in the global scheme of things.
That over 70% of the people in the IDP camps are women and children who have been rendered orphans and widows. The Senate accordingly resolved, 1, to congratulate the Nigerian children on the celebrations of the 2018 Children's Day. 2, to facilitate with the federal governments and families of the Dapchi schoolgirls that have been released. And 3, to urge the federal government to intensify effort to secure the release of Leah Sharibu, the only Dapchi schoolgirl that is yet to be released, and the remaining Chibok schoolgirls that are still in the custody of the Boko Haram insurgency.
Contributing to the motion, Senator Rose Oko calls for commitment in the implementation of the various acts related with children in order to stem the trend.
Several years after the enactment of the Child Rights Act and the Universal Basic Education Act 2004, the welfare of the Nigerian child, the education of the Nigerian child, and the health of the Nigerian child is far from what is desired and desirable. Mr. President, there is no doubt that today, despite the Universal Basic Education Act, we still find too many of our children outside the education sector.
Other lawmakers in their contributions to the debate decried the number of out-of-school children across the country.
In my own senatorial district, Lagos East Senatorial District, last year, about 4 raids were made. 2 in the Model College at Epe, 1 at Babington Macaulay in Ikorodu, and another one in another school, at the border of Lagos and Ogun State. It has been very difficult convincing parents who experienced these dastardly attacks and kidnappings of their children, though they were released, to return these children back to school.
A cry for help on behalf of the Nigerian child. And I believe that our children, they deserve more. And we will start from this chamber itself. We want to, maybe when it comes to prayer, we have to assign every senator to take maybe a number of rice to an IDP camp and do what is needful. We will start with the Senate. The Senate President has done it in the past, going all the way to Borno, taking food, but now we should make it mandatory that we should now go, yes, we will do that, we will sign off, and we should do the needful.
In his remarks, President of the Senate, Bukola Saraki, urges his colleagues to continue to live up to the responsibility of ensuring that they show love and care to the Nigerian child.
We've all seen the statistics that show today that Nigeria accounts for 10% of the total world infant mortality, total world maternal mortality. These are not figures we should be proud of, where only 1 in 4 children get immunization. So I believe as we celebrate, let us take up the responsibility to improve the health of our children. And I'm happy that with the 1% we have put for primary health care and with proper implementation, we can see full coverage of immunization of our children. That will go a long way in reducing the mortality.
Sarki queries why some states are yet to pass into law the Child Rights Act. He therefore calls on such states to ensure speedy passage of the law.